playing bell games. What ballet is traditionally performed?
The Nutcracker.
Yes. During the Christmas season.
I was gonna say Dance of the Swimming Fairy for some reason.
Which is from.
And Dance of the Swimming Fairy?
Oh,
you know
yeah.
that one?
Yeah. Completing this line from The Night Before Christmas. And visions of...
Sugar plums.
Correct.
Dance in their heads.
Now you're ready.
What is the name of Will Ferrell's character in Elf?
Buddy.
That's a dumb question.
A Wonderful Christmas Time.
Is that the name of that song?
Yep.
I knew the line, I didn't know the word. I didn't know what it was called.
I'm just gonna keep singing it until I came up with the right words.
I don't know this song. Let's just
Pick a different one.
pick a different
That's a good
song.
That's
idea.
not good.
Don't know this song either.
Yeah. So now you score depending on how many questions it takes you to guess who you
Stick
are.
this in
Don't
my
do
head.
that. That's not a good. That's a waste of time.
Am I a person?
No.
A living thing?
No.
My Christmas tree?
No.
This is hard.
Yup.
Am I a song?
No.
Am I something we've had in our house?
No.
No, definitely.
Well, that
narrows
changes
it down.
perspective.
Yes. Festive bell bells. Holly jolly. Joy. Merry Christmas.
Am I green?
No.
Am I at the North Pole?
Yes.
Yes.
Santa's workshop?
No.
Am I Santa's sleigh?
Yes!
Oh boy.
Alright.
Alright, you can put it down, we know.
Okay.
We can read.
Am I a person?
No.
Am I a place?
No.
Am I a specifically named thing?
No.
Am I a physical object?
Yes.
Okay.
The spirit of Christmas.
Okay. Am I something that you eat?
You have to say no to that one.
No.
Alright. How
It
can
is
it be
edible.
negotiable?
You will see.
Do I belong to Santa Claus?
No.
Huh? Am I an animal?
No.
Am I a plant?
No.
Can you buy me in a store?
No.
Can I fly?
No. Yes.
Yes.
Sorry.
Without being thrown?
Yes.
You can float through the sky.
Falling with
It's
stuff.
falling with style. You cannot physically make yourself fly,
Oh man.
but you can fall with style.
Am I a celestial object?
No.
What? Shoot. What did you think you were?
Star.
A star, a shooting star.
Okay.
Am I drinkable?
No.
I have to quit then. A snowflake? Oh man! You guys are making this harder than it needs to be.
I love the whole. Are
Yes,
you
we have
available?
questions.
Can you be found all year round? Yes. Depends on where you are in the world.
Some places you can't even be found at Christmas.
And you're edible. Yes.
You fall with style.
Are
Okay.
you in people's houses?
Yeah.
Yes.
Normally.
Okay.
Okay.
Depends.
Am
Are
I
you
a-
a paper snowflake or a real snowflake? Or are you a snowflake?
Am I a person?
No.
Am I an animal?
Nope.
Am I a decoration?
Yes.
Yeah, kind of. Not really. It's not your primary function.
No.
Am I a tree?
Okay.
A nutcracker.
All say
No.
the same. No. They'll all say the same. No.
A bell.
You have to ask another question.
Do I make noise?
Yes.
A bell.
Not quite.
A jingly bell.
Closer. You have to ask that question.
Do I belong on a sleigh?
Yes.
A sleigh bell.
Yes.
2 points. And we're tied 5 apiece. Your turn.
Are you serious? All right.
Back
Festive
to
quads.
quiz. What? I started thinking about
Just
Scrooge.
what?
When I was reading the question, I started thinking about Scrooge.
Is that the question? Yes.
What is the name of it? No. What is the full name
Yes, that's Minnow.
of the miserly character?
Ebenezer Scrooge.
Yes.
That's his full name?
Visited by the three ghosts in A Christmas Carol.
Fine!
Ebenezer Scrooge.
Scrooge.
The film Miracle on 34th Street is set in which U.S. city?
New York City.
Correct.
Of course it is.
Chicago.
Everything's in New York, Mom. Everything.
That's true.
What is this?
Santa Claus.
What is the name of the character who tried to steal Christmas?
The Grinch.
The story by Dr. Seuss.
The Grinch.
My ear. All the timer ran out.
Alright.
Got it.
Am I a person?
No.
A place?
No.
Am I a tree?
No.
Am I on a tree?
No.
Mistletoe?
No.
Am I a nativity set?
No.
With sugar?
Yes.
Do I go on the tree?
No. We went over this.
Am I red?
Often.
Yes.
Am I stockings?
Yes!
Yay! Your turn.
Thank you. Am I a decoration? Am I found on a tree?
No.
Am I powered by electricity?
No.
Mistletoe?
No.
Nope.
In a pot?
Yes.
Poinsettia?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Am I a plant?
Yes.
Mistletoe.
No.
Am I only found in winter?
I don't think so.
I don't know, actually.
So that's the only time anybody talks about
Am I
it.
an animal?
No, you're a plant.
Oh yeah.
Aren't people like you generally called fruit?
Very funny.
Sorry. That was
Am I that orange thing that's in the bottom of stockings?
No.
what? Orange?
You mean an orange?
No, the other thing. What's it called?
Satsuma!
That!
Oh, yes.
Guess what? Satsuma's an orange. Just a different type
My
of
whole
orange.
world is destroyed. That's
Am I
crazy.
holly?
Yes,
Yes!
you are. In Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, what Christmas gift did Harry receive from...
Oh!
I have to keep talking.
Now you have to guess.
Nobody starts with a B. You're about to say a B.
You don't know that.
The invisibility cloak.
That is correct.
Whoa!
Dumbledore.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas.
David
David
wins by
wins.
1 point.
We're gonna explode some kittens.
Alright.
We should order some pizza.
What a terrible idea.
Terrible idea.
Make some nachos. Or order some nachos. Order a pizza and nachos.
Order a nacho pizza.
That's it! You're hired! 228 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, so what's that in normal people time?
228 divided by 6, David.
Mom, I can't do that.
Yes, you can.
He can't hear me because he didn't even twitch when I said that.
I heard you. One imploding and two exploding.
Oh, look at my sick shuffling skills.
Wow.
Yeah.
Discover you have a sentient toilet. Ooh.
Oh!
What?
Nothing. Lucidity.
That sounds
Six-sided nightmares.
That sounds awesome.
mean,
Alright,
come on.
only 3 games left.
We're playing Dead Man's Drop.
Okay. How
So, the Mummy's Curse for Clank expansion is $25 US. Clank in Space is $60. Lucidity is $30. And Prowler's Passage is $35.
Oh my god, will you help me?
I got it. I got it. I don't know what any of this is. I am lost. Who are you? What is happening?
You may now choose to continue drawing.
Like that?
No. In a stack.
Okay.
You did not say that.
The card just drawn is...
Hey guys, I'm the master gunner. What do you think my name is?
Ned.
Smith, Wesson.
Gunny. My name is Gunny. I'm the master gunny.
Gunny face?
Ooh, heck yes. I'm Sir Lovesword.
I am playing
So
Madame
what's
Margot.
Okay.
Davy. I can't play this card.
Dave. Oh.
See?
Oh, grammar.
Davy Joan apostrophe S Locker. For
I
more
want-
information about the apostrophe, click here. Shameless self-promotion.
Yes, we can. That was excellent. Very well done.
But this is real-world applications, everybody. Before you make a game, talk to anybody with common sense to check your cards so that this doesn't happen to you.
Yeah, David, get it right.
No, I'm not gonna get it right. I'm too dumb. It was wise.
Oh,
I'm a
chest.
genius. It's the 7 sword over there. It's scary.
If I
I'm
take the sword,
losing
I'm
so
gonna bust.
badly. I'm losing so
Takes the
badly.
sword, he will bust. You're not
Thicker 5
losing.
anchor. I am.
No, you're not.
I'm not?
You have a lot of cards that are scoring.
Yeah, but you guys have higher cards that I don't have.
Do we?
Yes. Believe me, don't check.
When they say immediately place, I think.
Oh! Hey guys!
What?
It comes in French.
I'm guessing one.
I'm getting a
wait.
French. A singular French. I want one.
What is the sword and the stone?
Yeah!
And the hat.
Mom, you could see it on the outside of the box.
I wasn't looking.
There were holes in it.
I wasn't looking!
So that you could look at
I can't get them out.
Mom,
I'm gonna get you.
here, you deal with this because you have names. I'll deal with this.
What's that?
It's because I told you this!
I didn't recognize it.
Mother! An apple a day keeps the doctor away. There's your face. I couldn't find it.
What an odd symbol
Of what?
for the money.
It's pounds.
Oh yeah, I know, right? What?
What
No,
is it?
it's not.
It's
Look at it.
Mickey Mouse
Look at
money.
Mickey Bucks.
Mickey Bucks.
But it's not.
It's money.
It's Monopoly money.
It's money with an.
There's no Mickey money.
It's got a silent.
These are the only ones that matter. You'll notice the black cauldron is nowhere to be found.
Good.
And I haven't even looked at the board.
Make mine mirror. You know that one?
What?
Make mine mirror. You know that one? Yes. Make mine mirror.
I'm guessing that wasn't actually.
No, that's
released
what
in
it was
theaters.
called. The sword and the stone, an apple, a honey pot, a lamp, a blue hat, and this robot.
Okay, the sorcerer's hat.
Yeah, but it's the only one that's blue, which is
It's
weird.
important.
I can
Because
put it. I
it's
can
the
put it.
sorcerer's
I
hat.
can wear it as a hat on my pinky finger.
Aw.
See?
I suggest that we do what they recommend with no house rules.
8.
Okay.
Wow!
You're right!
Like we both look at me like 6. You're right. Then what's the point of free parking?
There is no
There
point.
isn't.
That's it. There's no point to it. Are you serious?
Right.
Yep.
That's stupid. That entire concept of the game was a house rule.
Yeah.
Yep.
But that makes way more sense.
Nope.
Free parking is a place where you can park and
For
stay
free!
the night without having to
That doesn't make any sense.
It
Why
makes
is it
perfect sense.
there?
Because it's free.
That's
It's a
dumb.
place you can stop without having to pay rent.
No.
Melanota. It's a beautiful night for romantic
That's not how the
dinner.
song goes.
Receive 100 monies.
What were you singing?
Melanota.
This is the
I
night,
didn't sing that
it's a
song.
wonderful night, and we call it Bella
Melanota.
You know, beautiful in French is belle.
Yes.
So it's not a wonderful night.
This is Italian.
Oh!
He's clawing at the table. I don't know why.
What table?
My table?
Side table over there with the candle on.
The tide table.
The times tables.
Oh, how the tides have tabled.
Yeah, I don't want to be paying any rent anytime soon.
If only free parking did something. Please be something good. Happy on birthday! Collect 10 for every player. Yay! No, that's not gonna. That was way too many. And also, that's not gonna
That
happen.
was 10 mms.
That was like 12.
It was 10, I counted them.
I don't trust your counting.
2!
Hang on, let's do it. 26.
Wow. Why isn't it 626?
6. Well, I tried with
That's
the
what it should
26.
be. On the with the castle, it should be
That's
626.
3!
Magic bit. Ursula tricked you and stole your voice. Go to jail. Go directly to jail. Do not pass go. Do not collect 200. That's fine. I guess when you're mute, you just go to jail. That's discrimination.